I'm Magdalena. This year my family went camping in the Texas Hill Country off the Lena River. My kids are getting older, so this was the first time I let them go off on their own just a little bit. It's scary for me not to be watching over them, but on this trip I had to get out of my comfort zone and let them grow up a little. But there's also a lot of togetherness when we're cooking together and gathering around the campfire, roasting s'mores, talking and telling stories. And so when I came home after the camping trip, I wanted to do something in my kitchen island because it's a gathering place that we all prep food, we cook together, we have conversations. And so I wanted that space to be special for all of us. And so I added the wood slats around the island. I refinished the butcher block countertop, and I painted it that bluish gray color like the river. Now that my kids are getting older, it's so special to have those times to spend with them and have conversations, good conversations and the hard conversations. I want my kids to know that this family is always a safe space to come home to and feel loved just like I did. My parents came from El Salvador, and for us, it was just being together, enjoying time together, cooking together. Always around the table is so important, so good food is essential in a family, so I love that part. The Explorer has a huge monitor, which is essential because I'm always using the rear camera, and having that big view, making sure I don't hit anything is so good. It's so convenient.